What you got, Kyle?
Fish?
What you got, Kyle?
I think it's Kokanee.
We're trying Mackinaw and Kokanee, but it seems like Kokanee is only one that's biting right now. Little smoky out here, as you can see. But what are you gonna do? Sit at home? No, we'll fish.
Tastes like campfire.
Stole your fish.
Fine.
Woo! Kokanee fishing, Donner Lake. Check it out. Third fish today. It's been real windy, as you can tell. Here, let me get down there. It's been real windy, but we're catching them about 60 feet down, all with pink spinners. Stay tuned and we'll hit you with some action. But I gotta get back to driving because it's windy. Got a double on. See what happens. Mike's over here chilling. He's sleeping today.
Oh, is there still on? Who's still on?
Don't forget about the kayak giveaway I have going on.
Mine's on.
The link to the video will be in the description.
You're still on.
What's going on today?
Oh my God.
Brian's throwing fish at everyone. Where's the...
It's in the cooler.
Your cooler?
Man, it is windy. Windy.
Fish on!
Don't miss this one, Mike.
Pull it hard.
Let's give them a little update. Out here, Donner Lake fishing for Kokanee. What do we have? 13 in the cooler?
Yeah.
Missed about 9 or 10. But just got that one in the net. Oh yeah.
That one. Grab a bench, get it.
Yeah. Woo. Got one on. Look at that rod work. But don't forget, I have a free kayak that I'm trying to give away. 500 subscribers. And it's free. Did I mention that?
500.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's nice. Don't pull, don't pull.
Don't try and whip them in the boat like you did before.
Right.
Any word from Brian up here up in the bow about this captain spot?
You know, it's windy. We're just trying to keep this boat straight while we get some fish in the boat. Any fish in the boat is a good fish today.
Well, we got Mr. Brian trying to reel in his second fish for the day. Let's see if he can get it to the boat.
I don't think anything's on there.
Oh no!
Another Kokanee.
A Kokanee.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there he is.
There he goes.
Oh, Kyle, what are your feelings after that one? What happened?
I pulled a Mitch.
Hold up, Brian. Horsed him right out of the mouth before he could even get into the boat.
That's all right.
It's all right. What is it? 2 out of 5 ain't bad.
Yeah.
3 out of 6.
3 out of 6 ain't bad.
7 out of 9.
That's how it goes. Hey, Mike's got a good one on.
That's a nice one. Get him in. Oh. I thought it was flying out. That's 5, man.
Beautiful. Donner Lake round 2. Not as smoky today. What happened to you today, Mikey?
I popped a tire on this big old pothole, man. California, huh? You know, you let the water, like...
So today we got 2 different techniques that we're using, a downrigger as well as the downrigger-less setup. So if you haven't checked out that video, check it out. There's a lot of good information. But today I'll show you exactly what we're using in regards to sling blades, Kokanee lures, as well as some Mackinac stuff. Hopefully we can get some fish. So stay tuned and check out this view.
Despite the loss, I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow me, I want.
First fish of the day?
First one.
On Nelms rod?
Got the skunk off.
Told you the fucking...
The Kokanee rod? Is that the
setup,
key?
Man. Yep.
When he gets that monster Kokanee off, I'll show you the setup, what we're using.
That's a decent size though.
But we got to show him the secret. The secret corn. Number 1 thing you need for Kokanee
Right,
fishing.
thanks, buddy.
Corn.
You got your little...
The lights out bat?
Night.
Oh, we're just not gonna show that in the video. Number 2?
Do you feel it?
Do you have a crash bag?
Yeah.
A lot of action going.
Uno.
Trevor's filling out the noodle rod. Is there one on there?
Yeah.
Oh, poor little guy. There you go. Is that Trevor's first salmon?
That's your first salmon. You gotta keep that.
Oh.
Got him? Nice. Just ran into a school of them.
Woo! Number 2 already.
Here, oh, there it is. Here, now help me. Here. Trevor, you gotta put him out. That's your first fish.
We just got 2 Kokanee so far.
Yeah. How deep is it right here?
138. 38? No, 138.
I'll never get tired. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us.
Alright everyone, I told you I'd let you know I'm peeking, so. I'm using sling blades today. I do like to put a slight bend in those sling blades, so it's your preference on whether or not you want to run it like that. It looks like we have about a 18 to 24 inch leader, and then the pink spinner was killing it last time. And like I said, don't forget the corn. That's the secret to Kokanee fishing, is the corn on the hook. Other than that, nice really slow trolls. do some S-turns every once in a while, you should be able to get it done. And always vary the depths of your rigs. Right now we're catching them at around 40 feet.
Oh shit, he's pulling drag, dude, he's pulling drag.
Look at Mikey's little rod over there.
Super light right here.
Kokanee number 3.
Say it again.
Feels like a pretty decent kokanee, hopefully. This was your deep rod, Mike?
No. Mikey's got the deep, or no, yeah, that is the deep.
Ah, he's a good one.
Oh yeah. Got him.
Oh, we're all tangled up.
I don't know, they like to swim to the boat, so if you feel it, that it kind of gave away, it might just be swimming to the boat. But I think it got off. Oh no, it's still on there. Another key thing is when the Dodger's skimming across the top when you're bringing it in, 100% you gotta fish them.
Oh, there we go. It's nice.
It's a fish.
Got another kokanee. So kokanee don't really get much bigger than that. If you do catch a 15, 16 incher, consider that a record. I think the state record in California is 5 pounds. So good luck beating that, but anything over 12 inches is a good kokanee. So don't be disappointed. Go for it. Look at that beautiful kokanee. Kokanee are actually landlocked salmon. They're basically the sockeye version, but for a lake. A long time ago, they just adapted to freshwater because they've got cut off from the ocean. Boom, you got kokanee. They are not native to California or Nevada. So if you think they are native, they're not. They're wild kokanee. There's a difference, native versus wild.
Oh, you got off.
Have to bust the food out.
Hmm.
Right?
Is it a big one?
Nah, I think you got off.
No.
Mike, that's your 3rd fish today.
I know, right?
That's the 3rd fish he's lost today.
I'm exempt from catching.
You think we could make a pit stop at the dock real quick?
God damn it, Mike.
No, he's off. What'd he get?
What'd you get it on? Jig. That's what's up.
What'd he catch?
Got him. Like a 4-pounder, huh? 4 or 5? Bass. Say a bass. No.
You got him with you?
No, we let him go.
Nice.
How deep were you guys fishing? Oh, you don't know, huh? Dude, we went right up next to the shore and we were just fucking casting in. Dig it, let it drop, dig it in, let it drop, dig it in, just fishing the fucking...
What fish number 7 though? We're doing all right, huh?
Yeah. 7 fish.
And your buddy just hooked into a Big Mac, right?
Caught a 5-pound Mackinac. Brandon did. I didn't, but Brandon.
So there's fish out here.
So if you want to catch Mackinac,
Get
on
on
our
the
lake.
boat.
Piece of corn. Take it.
Right? Oh, you're gonna die for it. Not gonna die.
You got him?
Do I got Doritos on my face?
Hmm.
Caught me off guard. I don't know if it's still there or not.
He's there. There it is. Landed. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Got another one.
That's number, what, 6?
6 or 7. That's a nice kokanee right there.
What do you think? Go 10-incher?
Why don't we measure it out? I'm saying 11. 11 and a half. Nice little Coke.
Let's see if Mike can
Still
land
feel
it.
Mike, or is this gonna be your fourth one?
I don't know. Probably number 4.
If you lose this fish, can we get permission to drop
I'm
you
just
off?
gonna jump off the fucking boat. Yeah.
Okay.
We're getting these kokanee
There
at
he is.
60
He
feet
gone.
today.
Oh, dude.
Well, you know, you can't win them all.
Trying to get the Bachelor on kokanee.
They're there. They just don't like me.
Maybe he's having a hard time finishing the job right now, you know?
Getting cold feet, Mike.
No
Getting a little nervous bringing it in, finishing it, committing.
This damn corn.
Why are you nervous, Mike?
Is this some underlying issues?
Oh my. I don't know.
Did he? Another one?
I don't
That's
know.
5 fish in a row. 5.
Made the part.
Finally got the skunk off.
Keep pulling.
Let's see. He ain't in yet. Oh, yeah. Oh!
And we lost him, huh?
Just tried to horse him.
Ay, ay, ay.
Jeez.
Drop me off.
Mikey, you looking down.
Get close to the boat.
Trying to get this 11 fish skunk off right now. We are still using sling blades with spinners and the secret corn. Trolling about, I think that was our shallow rod, and that one probably hit around 40 feet or so. Still marking them around here on the east side of the lake. Other than that, that's all the info I got. My buddy Brandon caught a really nice Mackinac as well as a really nice rainbow. I think he's doing a little bit better than us in regards to size, but I think we got him on the fish count. But other than that, if we limit out on kokanee, we'll go give it a shot.
Yep.
Number 12.
Mitch, why were you there? Were you trying to land Mike's fish?
Fish there.
Oh!
Trying to play a joke.
Nope. It was on.
I think the afternoon is starting to slow down a little bit. We haven't really changed depth, so maybe we should try a little deeper. I don't know. Keep it rocking. Beautiful day out here compared to last weekend, as you saw. And Mike,
I think there's a little fish on my little rod.
we are consistently fishing at 40 feet down using pink spinners with a smile blade and the secret corn. If you guys comment in this video, I'll tell you how to make that corn. It's pretty easy. The secret is white shoe peg corn as a base. Mike just missed it with the net. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
Got him.
Woo, I thought Mikey was gonna punch him in the back of the head.
Right?
Another kokanee down. I think that's 14 in the cooler. We need to catch 6 more to get a limit. So stay tuned. We'll see if we can do it. So what's your thoughts about kokanee fishing?
I like them, man. They taste good. They're small. They're edible, right?
Like he just said, they are pretty tiny fish, but when you get into the action, it's just rod after rod after rod. And they taste amazing. What's your favorite way to cook them?
I like to fry them. A little garlic salt. Call it a day.
Fry them up. I like to smoke mine, but not all perfect. I'm just kidding. Stay tuned. Let's see if we can get that limit. Gonna finally get one?
Oh yeah, he's there. He's there.
Mike's gonna get one. Ooh, that one looks like a good one.
Can I net it?
Jeez.
He's fighting. He's fighting. He's fighting.
Can I net it for you?
You can.
Appreciate it, big dog.
Keep him away from the prop.
I'm gonna do him just like he did my fish.
I think he's gonna miss it on purpose. Dang, that's a nice coke.
There it is.
That's how you net it right there. 15 fish in the cooler. 5 more.
5 more, baby.
His lips, Trevor. This is the last fish. This is the limit right
Be
here.
gentle. Be gentle.
Oh, that looks like a good one.
No, don't grab the net, dude. We don't want to lose this fish. Give it to Mitch, bro.
Be gentle. The wheel. I got you.
Let's limit out.
What's going on? Walk us through it, man.
Shit. You got a lot of line out. I like it.
Yeah.
yeah, no, he's good. He's good. He's good.
Oh.
What the heck?
That's why.
Last fish. All right, don't beat the thing to death, Mike.
Pent up aggression.
That's it. Time to catch Coke or Max. What happened, Captain?
We just got our salmon limit.
You get 5 fish, and you get 5 fish, and
I
you.
get 5 fish. You got this in a cooler?
I think I get the biggest ones. Right?
Everybody
Mine's
gets
were-
5 fish.
Mines are
Mikey
big.
claims he got the biggest ones of the day.
I think so.
I think you did get the biggest one though.
Might be the fact.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't want to feed his ego too
No,
much.
it's definitely a
There's a
food
moment meant for
right?
us, and now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow me, you're one. Sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. Just one time.
Whew, the choring's all done. But just remember, I do have that free kayak giveaway video still out. The link will be in the description below, so just remember to hit that link, watch the video, and it will tell you exactly how to win that free kayak. I hope you like this video. Just remember to subscribe and like, and we'll catch you later.